Hi parents, I wanted to show you on SeeSaw how to start an activity and then finish it and submit it a different time. So let's say I only wanted to complete slides 1 and slides 2 today, and then tomorrow I wanted to complete a couple more, and then the next day I am going to go into my activity just like this, and I will complete a couple of my slides. For this slide, I am just going to draw all over my page just so that you can see that I am completing these 2 slides. Okay, and then instead of pressing the green check mark, I'm just going to press the draft up here in the right hand corner. So I'm going to click that. So that assignment will show up on the journal for the student. Only I can see it and the student can see it. Parents will not be able to see this on their end. But if I wanted to take a look midway through to see if the student was completing it correctly, or if the student is going to go back and complete more, you're just going to click Show Draft. And then you're going to, it pops up Edit. You're going to click that orange Edit button. And then there is my work that I've already worked on. And I can do the same thing. I can work on slide 3 now. I'll do my F. And slide 4. And then I'm going to click Draft again. So again, it shows up on my learning journal as the teacher and then the student's learning journal. And when you click Show Draft, it pops up that you can edit it. And then it shows me all over again my work that I was working on. And then when you're all done, again, we can just click that green check mark. And then it shows me the completed activity and you're all done.